So now we are going to talk about Pycharm. Okay, so what you can do is you can hit launch on your Anaconda Navigator. So this is an IDE by JetBrains, okay, for pure Python development, and this will support all your code implementations that you want to do for your project or something. It is a regular IDE that everybody uses for Java or such kind of programming. Even this is very similar to that kind of IDE, okay. So when you open Pycharm, you will always get a tip of this, that some tips that they give you to use Pycharm. Okay, so you can read about it, or you can just close it. Since I already have something open, so it is going to show you. So usually it will show you something like this whenever you open some new file. If you want, you can just open a new project. Okay, so once you open that, you can give some name and then hit on create. Okay, so since my this window is open, so I wanted to open it in a new window. Okay, so once you this is how you're going to see your first screen. So here you will get a lot of options in order to create different folders for different kind of files that you want to keep under this project. Okay, so for example, that I have here right now. Okay, so under this I'm going to keep my CSS files, all my templates that are needed. Okay, so if you are developing an app or something like that, so we have to keep different files under different folders. Okay, so that there is an organization. We can organize files when it comes to Pycharm. Okay, so this is also an IDE that is little different from Jupyter, of course. Okay, so in Jupyter you don't have this flexibility to create files under same project. Okay, so here you create a project, and under that project you create different file types. Okay, that is needed for your project. So you definitely have the similar kind of options like file, edit, view, navigate, code. So how you can run the code from here, or you can definitely use the shortcuts that they have in order to run the code. Okay, so this is about Pycharm in total. So this is completely about Pycharm.